We're going to do a bird dog. We need to do this. We need to stay on all fours. Make sure shoulders are over the wrists. You have a 90-degree angle around on the waist. And from there, we're going to lift the opposite hand and the opposite leg at the same time, keeping them fully extended and keeping our core strong throughout this movement. You gotta keep your core strong, otherwise your spine is gonna arch in, and that's not what we're aiming for.